Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to drop testing an iPhone 5C. It is iCloud locked. I'm just going to break it and take parts off it, to be honest. So we're going to do the backdrop from waist height. 3, 2, 1. A few marks here. Camera lens is okay. A few down here possibly. We're going to do the corner. 3, 2, 1. There's a few more right there, it looks like. So there it is, fully working, but like I said, it is iCloud locked, so go ahead and turn the brightness up all the way. There you go. Go and do the face down. 3, 2, 1. But it's already cracked. It didn't actually. So got a few marks here. Like I said, this thing is always popping up with a verification. That's all it does. So I actually survived. I'm not surprised. So we'll go and do backdrop, head height, in 3, 2, 1. Really good. The LCD is delaminating in the top corner, it looks like. Still functional though. And down here in the bottom corner. Looks to be okay. On the back side, looks it took the drop really well. Going to do the corner drop. 3, 2, 1. That was a perfect corner drop sound, like too, and it bounced really well. As you can tell, kind of deformed the corner. But being plastic compared to the 5C and the rest of the iPhones, it bounced really good. Took most of the impact and cushioned the display, so it's gonna hit up at the top corner when it bounced back too. We're going to do face down. 3, 2, 1. Phone flipped in the air. I seen it completely shattered. It looks like. Yes, it did. Still working though. We'll go ahead and do the throw test. 3, 2, 1. Actually, went right by us too. Completely shattered. LCD is still working. See the green line through it? Oh, yep, there you go. Look at the impact on that dent. We're going to do another one. Why not? 3, 2, 1. That was straight on the screen, it looked like. There we go. See the home buttons kind of start to come out. And then we'll go and just slide it on the back. See how the back does. I'm kind of curious how they scratch, depending on the phone. So it's kind of why I'm doing that a little bit more. But you can see it still works. Scratched the camera lens. Didn't crack it though, but not too bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.